Hey YouTubers, how you doing today? And we're looking here for some materials, some green stuff we need to do this job. And we've got the airbrush here. We're just going to disconnect, put that over there. See how I taped it up there? I don't know if you can see that there. Let me see if I can get it focused for you. Right there. We're going to put a little green stuff on that just to tighten it up just slightly a little bit more and make it so it won't wobble around at all. It's pretty good now, but it could be better. So you got to get two pieces of this off here, these sticks. So we're mixing the green stuff up in our hands, equal amounts, and you got to get it nice and green. I'm going to put it around that piece right there. I rolled it out into a worm, and I'm going to put it around that and get it close to the edge here. So we shaped it around and made a nice round bonnet using the shaping tool, which is right there. And you wet that a little bit to smooth the green stuff out here. And then we're going to put the cup back on and let it dry. We put the cup back on, and it's bulging out a little bit. That's okay. We're going to trim some of that off with the X-acto knife. So we're going to let that dry. We used a little wet water to shape it with the tools down there. And that way my cup won't be swinging around on me at all. And it will take up the space between the airbrush and the nut here. Okay, I can always take this off if I want to. I want to show you that. It's a trick with the cheaper style brush, although these aren't cheap, but sometimes you have to make modifications. So ring the notification bell. Have a great day, and thanks for watching.